again, Sassy, and today we are going to do some video about what's inside my bag. So, yes, my bag. I'm using this for my pang-office. Yan, ito pagka pupunta akong office. This is my Chanel bag. A GST. Shopping tooth. Okay, and now let's see what's inside my bag. First, I'm going to show you the book that I'm reading right now. Ito yung How's the Culture in Your Kingdom. Yan. So, malayo pa yung ano ko, kaka-start ko lang nito. So, ayan siya. Then next, you will be surprised kung ano pa yung mga laman nitong bag ko. Okay? Kasi pagka pupunta akong office or may mga isang buong araw na nasa meeting ako or kung saan ako, basta kailangan kong lumabas, ito talaga yung dala ko kasi mas madami akong dala na magkasya dito. And so after the book, you'll be surprised kung ano pa yung mga laman ng bag ko. Next is a lotion. So yan, may lagi akong dalang lotion kasi nagde-dry yung skin ko. Okay? Then next, my makeup kit na may mga kung anong mga emergency na kailangan gamot. Let's say, meron ako ditong mga kung ano-ano lang na mga kailangan ko na medicine. Okay? And then sa makeups, yan, so mga pang antihistamine. I have here my lipstick. It's part of my makeup kit na dinadala ko pagka may mga pag-whole day akong may lakad. Okay? So, ito yung mga essential. So, meron akong lipstick. Okay, this lipstick is ayan siya. So, something like parang nude lang or natural color. Then, I have this perfume from Japan na wala namang brand. So, binili ko lang kasi gusto ko yung scent niya. And another lipstick from Anastasia. And my NARS concealer. Yan. And my MAC lipstick. Ito yung pagka, hindi ko alam at ang dami kong bit-bit na lipstick ngayon dito sa aking makeup kit. And this one is my 24-hour brow setter. So, this is a brow setter. Okay? And this one is my 3CE na contour. Highlighter and contour. Okay? The next is bench tint from Becca. Okay, so ito din, meron akong pen and my eyebrow pencil from Benefit. And of course, I have this essential oil from doTERRA. So, may mga ganon. And then, yon, another lipstick from Kylie. And this one is an eyeliner. This is from Japan. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong brand to. Yan siya, oh. Yan. Then, some chocolates, curly tops. And of course, itong my small perfume. Okay, so I have my Band-Aid and my massage rub cream na Giga. Okay, so ito importante ito pagka sa biyahe, nahihilo. So yan, pahid-pahid. And of course, ito may Little Santo Niño. Yan, hindi yan siya pwedeng mawala sa aking lakad, kasama lagi. And then, of course, ito, mga hair ties. So, yan yung laman ng aking makeup kit. And then, ito pa. So, another, marami-rami pa to guys, laman ng aking everyday bag pagka may mga lakad. So, of course, merienda, may mga snacks nga ako yan. So, hibisco cream and some wipes. And of course, my comb, my mirror. Yan. So, ito, gusto ko yung design niya. Yan. So, my mirror. And then, this one, double mint. And of course, another snacks. It's a fruit and nut trail mix. Yan. So, what's inside my bag? So, ito na yung malalaman nyo na kung ano. Of course, my charger. The alcohol na importante ngayon. Dapat naging may dalang alcohol. Yan. And my powder from MAC. Yan siya. My wallet from Tory Burch. So, gusto ko siya kasi ano siya, flowery, pink, and green. So, nagustuhan ko siya. Kaya, yan, ito yung wallet ko muna ngayon. Yan. So, wala namang masyadong, walang cash. Meron lang, 100 pesos. O, diba? Walang cash. And then, walang masyadong laman, guys. So, yun lang. Nothing much. License and some IDs. Yan yung aking wallet. And then, okay, my hair clip, my checkbook, yan, my checkbook, and yung mga bank, mga bank, deposits. And then my car key. Yan. And last is my shade. Okay, from Gentle Monster. So, ayan siya. Yan. This is my Gentle Monster shades. Yun lang. So, yan yung what's inside my bag. Yan. So, wala nang laman, guys. So, yan lahat yung essential ko. Pagka kailangan kong pumunta sa office or may meeting ako whole day, kung saan-saan, basta kailangan kong lumabas, ito talaga lahat ang dala ko. So, that's it. And guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe and also share. Thank you so much. Bye!